Okay.
Where are you parking there? Where are you parking? I will give you cookie. Good morning. Yesterday I didn't finish my cleaning. I have those two done. I need these two. They're not so bad if you look, but I need to do. And I need to clean all these. I will not be able to do everything today in the morning. We are going to celebrate my husband's birthday. That was in Thanksgiving actually. And then I will do this. But as I mentioned yesterday, I've been working in a project that is related to this. Let me see if I can show you part of what I did. It's not a lot. Yesterday I showed you that I have this list that I write here, and it's because I used to always copy from other planners and just begin to do my list, only follow this part of the look, this sticker are not sticking so good anymore. Anyway, of my planners, I create a permanent planner. Well, I'm going slow. How I doing this? I take all the information from my old planners and I transfer here, and I use everything that I need to create this planner. Let's see. This is the one that I was using for all the. So as you can see, it's a lot of labor to do. I've been doing this for a little time, and it takes time. And it will have information of my garden projects by week. Also, my monthly by month too, and these garden projects by month and per week. And this information that will be in these pages will be the house cleaning that I do. That is what I always put for the cleaning. My weekly list of tasks, Christmas to do, beginning of 1st of November, my holiday celebrations, birthdays, and then I have week by week, and I'm bit like making modifications every time when I notice that no, this has to be here, that is the reason it's a little messy. But and like you see, I get to do something and then switch, and then I keep going, and I've been working on that way. And at the same time, it's good because week by week I would learn extra stuff that I didn't pay attention before, and now I'm passing this here on the new planner. On this one, I began for December. For me, December is like the beginning of the year, and more that I'm already in December and working. So the first that I did is a house cleaning, all the tasks that I need for every week, important dates, and I put from all those. And in some of them I need more information, and I put details like celebrations, what to do, prayers, all of them. And now I'm working on my weekly task. I finished weekly number 1 and I'm working on week number 2. I need to put the pictures of my decorations for the tables. To do that, I will do first the decoration for the everyday that is supposed to be there, but I will do it in this one. And for the week of Christmas, I will do the decoration of Christmas. It's going slow, but it's because in the future this will be like, I want to fill my information for what to do in my planner. I only have to come here. It has no specific, like, no, if it's Monday, Tuesday, nothing. It's just specific what days, what I have to make sure that I do on each one of the weeks and things like that. So I will continue working on that, and I will share how it's going. It looks like dark here.
It says Crumble Lake, so they...
Okay, I am ready to begin my work after going to drink something. I have my coffee, my soap water, the 2 blinds that I have to finish, my radio, and I'm ready. I think I will begin with this one. No, that one. Okay, I finished that blind, and I need only this one, but I will go to see it for a few minutes with Frosty. He is begging for that. No, also in the front of the house there. But all that we do now is I will pray the rosary, and then we will go back inside. He will feel better. Okay, we got time out now. Time to finish this. Yeah, let's finish, huh? What do you say? Let's finish cleaning? Let's do it.